If you've lost access to your National Bank of Abu Dhabi Switzerland account and cannot use your phone number, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the National Bank of Abu Dhabi Switzerland's official website. Look for the login or account recovery section, which is usually found on the homepage. Step 2. Select account recovery option. In account recovery section, choose the option that allows you to recover your account without a phone number. This may include options like email recovery or answering security questions. Step 3. Verify your identity. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Use alternative contact methods. If prompted, select an alternative contact method, such as email. The bank may send a verification link or code to your registered email address to help you regain access. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, follow the instructions to reset your password. Create a new, strong password that you haven't used before to secure your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.